Okay, hi guys, Inside Inventions here. And today, earlier on, we was at a market, and there was a few places where I could buy some tools, and the one thing that I've been missing is clamps. So I found these spring clamps, which are quite good, and I got quite a lot since it was so cheap. It was £1 for these, one bag, which is very good. So I'll take them all out and unbox them. So that's all of them. I got more metal ones because I figured out they would be stronger. So yeah, I've got 9 clamps now. So six metal ones, 2 plastic ones, and a big jumbo one. Okay, so I'm gonna put these out of the little things and see how strong they are. So I'll start with these. That's strong. Right, okay. Oh, these are strong. Oh, God. These move as well, I've noticed. When it's open, these move, so you'll be able to get a good grip on whatever you're clamping. So that's quite cool. Let me open the second one here. So yeah, these are quite hard to open, so they're going to clamp hard. So I'm going to have a look at these metal ones. I'll just rip it. Hard to get out here. Alright, these are easier to open, but yeah, that hurts. These are spring clamps, these. So, actually quite stupid, but I'm testing with my finger how hard they clamp. Yeah. I don't know if it lets you clamp your finger. Right, I don't know which is more powerful. This one's easy to open, but it is quite powerful. I don't know, they're both very good clamps. This one's really hard to open. But yeah, they are good clamps. And I needed a lot of, well, I didn't need a lot, but the more clamps the better. Because I didn't have any clamps before this video. And I really needed them for like glue ups and screwing and all sorts. So I'm gonna have a look at the jumbo clamp. This big monster. It's easier to open. There were smaller ones of these, but I wanted to get ones so I would have like quite a big gap in between so I could clamp stuff like that. But this one, that's a big gap here. This is powerful as well. It's not as hard to open as these ones. Probably the same as that. But yeah, this is a really cool clamp. So I've just got more metal ones because I thought metal would last longer, and the plastic, you know, you drop it or something, it might break. And yeah, I just thought metal ones would be stronger. So yeah, we'll be using these clamps from now on. I will have to find a place to put them in the workshop. I probably might think about making like a hanger for them or something. I don't know, like if I had maybe a screw here, so I could, a screw there would be good, so I could hang them. maybe that would be a good idea. And I can just go like that, take it off, go like that, clip it back on. Let me just open these real quick. They're kind of awkward to open because like the clamps, the plastic has been clamped in the clamps. So you have to like unclamp the plastic. I've made a right mess here with all this plastic and cardboard. Right, there we go. So that's all the clamps. Jumbo one there. So yeah, they're pretty cool. And they're very cheap. All of these clamps here only cost me £5, which is cheap. Like there was other clamps than that in stores, but I don't know. I didn't ask what price they were or anything like that. But these are really good. These clamps, tight as well. So yeah, we'll be using these in my videos from now on when I need them. So yeah, it's really good to have clamps. It's just handy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video.